Let's be honest. Rigging is easily the most technical and often soul-crushing part of the 3D pipeline. Trying to get weight paints right and bone orientations perfect can take days of frustration. But if you're looking for the absolute industry standard to solve this in Blender, it's Auto Rig Pro. Developed by Artel, this isn't just a simple helper tool. It is a complete rigging, retargeting, and export ecosystem that has been the backbone of over 60,000 projects over the last 9 years. What makes it so powerful is the Smart feature. Now AI-powered, it can automatically recognize biped mesh features to position your bones for you. You just place a few markers on the chin, shoulders, and ankles, and it does the heavy lifting. And the best part? It's completely non-destructive. If you realize a bone is slightly off after you've already started animating, you can go back, edit the reference bones, and update the rig without losing your work. But it doesn't stop at humans. The modular system is a dream for creature artists. You can add wings with advanced feather controls, tails, multiple necks, or even kilt and dress limbs for clothing physics. It even has specialized 3-bone IK chains for quadrupeds and digitigrade creatures. For those focused on performance, the facial rig is a point-based system that is significantly faster than placing individual bones manually, giving you high-level control over expressions, lips, and brow movements. If you are a game developer, the full version is a non-negotiable. The export tools are specifically built to play nice with Unreal Engine 5, Unity, and Godot. It handles the twist bones that game engines need for volume preservation, and it includes a built-in remapper. This means you can take any animation, from Mixamo, motion capture, or even Rigify, and retarget it onto your Auto Rig Pro character in a couple of clicks. It even supports root motion, which is vital for professional game animation. Another standout feature is the secondary controller system. These are extra handles along the limbs that let you sculpt your poses. Instead of fighting with complex corrective shape keys, you can just tweak these controllers to fix elbow collapses or add cartoon-style stretches and bends. It gives your animation that extra layer of polish that makes characters feel alive. It is currently compatible all the way up to Blender 5.0, and the developer is legendary for maintaining backward compatibility. You don't have to worry about your old rigs breaking when you update Blender. At $50 for the full suite, it's an investment that pays for itself the very first time you don't have to rig a character from scratch. It's a tool built by an animator for animators, and it truly shows. Give it a try on your next project. Your workflow will thank you.